Springboard, Spring Security, JWT token authentication application. So here we have something. Actually I already created a user video, so I need to import that, and I need to BCryptPasswordEncoder, and then this is the one based on the UserDetailsService. So UserDetailsService I already mentioned, that's a Spring Security bean, and we actually need to implement that. So if we are implementing that only, the Spring Security will get a UserDetailsService bean. So what we are going to do here is we need to work on that one, the loadUserByUsername. So what I'm gonna do is we'll copy something from there, you can understand what exactly it is. So here just providing this one user, that's already we mentioned, and string s, I need to change into the username or string s, whatever we can. Then there should be a get authority method, so I need to create that also. So get authority method, have some changes here. Instead of generics, I am using a specific symbol entity and array symbol Java and overload. Okay, and symbol candidate. That's the thing we are working right now, and other than that everything is fine, and that's for UserDetailsService. And also we also need another one to be implemented, because we already create the things, the user survey, so we need to implement that also. There are a couple of methods, there are almost 6 methods we need to define. The first one is save. What we are actually doing is we have something here. In a save scenario, what I'm doing, usually doing is it should be okay. Everyone will do like that. We will have a user DQ, and we will map that into our entity object, and then save. It's very easy, right? Then it's coming find all also it will be very easy to define find all, because I'm creating an array list and iterator for each remaining. I'm adding into this one, this list actually. So list dot add. So it's very easy in this scenario. So find all is done. Then user DQ delete by ID, that's usually we are using here. So just we are not returning anything there. And find one, there is one find one method. So how we will do that? Find by username, I already defined that in user video. And the other one, find by ID, right? Yeah, find by ID. Find by ID, we can define this one option, and find by ID. Here find one, find by username, and here find by ID expression, and otherwise we actually return none. Okay, so that's then update. The next one is update one. So update one also very easy. Finding the particular find by ID. So find by ID will return only one, right? So find by ID here, it's optional username. This is DO find by ID. So here, so sometimes I will get now, it is not now. User password save. Yeah. So what I am exactly doing is BCryptPasswordEncoder. I am using BCryptPasswordEncoder to copy properties. What are the properties I need to copy? I need to mention here user password, then user detail into user. So the data is in user detail, in user, ignore properties password. Okay. Then return user detail. So during the update operation. Okay, that's all about the UserServiceImpl. So we have all the necessary things for UserService. Also don't forget to do this one. Okay, so that's all about UserService. Next, what we need in our implementation is like, so right now service is right, service I have only this thing, and the next thing is controller. Only pending item is the user controller and authentication controller. So here I define user controller. Next video we will go further how we will work on the user controller. It's also very easy, just a couple of codes, and after implementing we will try to launch this application and make sure we are getting right output using Postman. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.